Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to check my minnow traps. Next time I set them, I'll record it. So, I'll record whenever I'm there. And I'm here. It's been about 1 second for you guys, and about 30 seconds to a minute for me. First trap. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. Oh, it has not too many in it. Just gonna beat that back in there. Oop, that's over there. Just gotta go. Yeet! Just gotta yeet sometimes. Oh, looks like that one's dead. Rip. Oh, I did get right down for this. Wait. Look at that. Got a decent amount. Anyway. Eat that one back in there. Settle. Not record me going fishing tomorrow. You got a dog. That Mimi or Measure Show don't have. There you go. Tell me what kind of videos you want me to do. There's my pond. See? Just now got it cleared out. I'll be back. I'll drop something there. Wait. It'd be pretty bad if I just threw sticks in there, wouldn't it? Yeah. I don't know what kind of videos you guys want me to do. Let's get up close. It's been a while since I've been down here. Oh, there's a frog. Yeet! Almost fell in, nothing too bad. It's only like 20 at the max. Foot deep. Something that most people won't swim in, but if you're savage, you do it. I'll cut back whenever I'm at my chickens. Yeah, I said I'd do it at my chickens, but here's my fire pit. Just go eat. Ow, that actually kind of hurt. Oh, hurt. It's my dog. Make sure Shoal said it's small. It's literally limping because of its foot over there. It's better. Yeet. You know, I just wanted to walk up through the woods over to my chickens. You know. Crunchy, they could attack at any moment. I'm gonna go up to my puppy. Unless you're sure one Mimi could ever get. Something I can never get anyway. Crunchy! Something in its natural habitat. Crunchy! Say hi. Tracy. Oh, she said to leave her alone. You know, almost killing her with the front foot might leave her alone, so just take off my mud boots that Mimi or Measure Show don't have. Go yeet. Oh, so close. And then go yeet. Oh, frick. Yeet. Oh. Do that one. I'll land her upside her. Oh, she's on FaceTime.
Stop.
Come on. Yeet. Crunkety. Walking through my cornfield. Yay. Yeah, never mind. Crunkety. Going over to my ahead of the creek over there. Yes, I'm wearing long sleeves in the middle of summer. I don't know. down below. Hit the subscribe button. On the road to 200 subs. I'm gonna try to hit 200 subs within a month or a week. Yeah. Mimi, I know you do stuff for subs because there's no way you can get that many subs without that many views. So yeah, why don't you admit that? I did it for like 16 subs, but you know. Cranky. And that's whenever I was just trying to get up to 160 subs. Or 150, something like that. Cranky, my creek's kinda dry. There's manners somewhere over there. Right now, I'm just looking for a crawdad. I'm gonna start doing videos like this on a daily basis. I'll start recording once I find a crawdad. Okay, I'm gonna lift that 20 or 30 pound rock. It don't look like it on camera, but yeah. See if there's a crawdad under it. You can see it from right here. Well, yeah, you. Sorry about this. I'm just trying to get it focused on that rock. Right there. That rock. That rock, I'm a boom boom. Well, I'll just lift it up and throw it up here. And then show that I actually did lift it. I didn't get to put the rock up on land, but I actually did get a crawdad from out from under it. See? There it is. Oh. Okay. There, it's pinching a stick. Can you just let go of the stick? Or, like, so yeah. I caught a crawdad. That's my bare hands. Holy. Bet your she'll be way too scared to do that. Cranky. And see, there's proof that it's actually alive. Oh, my dog's probably gonna get it. Nope, quit running. Quit running. No, puppy. There we go. Ugh. Let's just, eat him back. Yeah, but there's that rock. This is going to be the end of today's video. Like and subscribe. Peace. Oh, wait. Before that, can you guys just please, you and Raymond, hand. Just shut up. Little frick. Oh, yeah. Look how perfect that looks. Yeah, but, like, brutal. Mimi, just stop, buddy. Wasn't even goody parkoury. Ugh, almost got it. Well, I did, but I can't make it grip. You say you're 12, but... Wait. Henry Hen's only 7, so bye.